Hello everyone. More than half the class had trouble with the query, so I'm just going to go over it real fast because we're going to continue to use queries throughout the course. Everyone set up the table correctly. It's when we got to the query where we are supposed to capture just fall 2018 and we're capturing everything. This is just one example. I just want to show you how to fix this. So we're going to go to Design View, and under the first term attended student list, we're going to sort by, we're going to go to the criteria, and it's FA18. And then we're just going to go back to the query, and now it's just fall of 2018. So it's always going to be, after you create your query, you want to go to the design view, and underneath the row, you're going to go to criteria right here, and you're going to put in your criteria, what you're searching for, and that'll update it for you. Let me know if you have any questions.